For example, for the investors, you probably the investors probably not the miners. They probably don't have a hardware machine, and they probably don't have the knowledge how to run a node. But they do have a sense of investment. They can find out which is has much the biggest return in investment. So what they can do is they can join the T project by investing their token, I mean T token, to what they call the bonding curve. Bonding curve is a DeFi concept, which is you can consider it's a I don't know how to explain that. It's kind of a way to invest your money, and you can find the better target to purchase a token. Then you can get the maximize the return on investment. The bonding curve is a big concept. We can probably have another topic on that. So for the investors, you can do that. Like sometimes we call staking, that you put your money there. Your staking will help other miners or help other developers to using your funding to grow their own business. In return, you get the dividend. It's typical security, right? That's for the investors. But for the miners, of course, they know how to mine token. You have the knowledge and you have the hardware. You can just join as a miner. You can purchase in the auction the Camellia CML, our token. That is considered the license, like a software license to mine. It's not issued by us. It's issued by the DAO. Then you can start mining. And because of making, mining is, the investor who invests to you as Camellia, you can share the dividend to the miners. But you probably can ask why the miners would like to accept the investment from other people. The reason is the higher the stake you have, and how many people, how many money stake to you, the higher chance you can win in the mining competition. You can get more profit. That is something like the bigger company easy to make business. The smaller company is harder. A similar idea. So you have a mining machine, Camellia. You have a lot of investors to stake on you. Then you can easily make more money because you have higher stake. You have a higher chance to win in the competition. Similar to that. And back to developer. Developer can make application. That is our most important part. And in order to help a developer, not only we give you the platform, the framework to build the application, as I mentioned just now, easy to use. Also, the bonding curve, again, the bonding curve gives you a way to fundraising in the system. So other investors or even miner who also can be an investor, he like your idea, and they agree that they think you can make the killer application in the future. They will invest you in the bonding curve so you can have an early fund to help you start.